Hello, it's John again. I'll be working on activity 7. We'll be constructing a rectangular prism and a rectangular pyramid. So to construct the rectangular prism, what I did is I made my base out of a rectangle, and and then if you fold it up, it's going to be 4 rectangles and 2 squares for the sides. So how many faces does it have? A rectangular prism is like exactly like a cube. It's gonna have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it's gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. And it's gonna have 8 vertices. 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom. Now, what is this surface area? If we can just find one of the areas of a rectangle, this is 2 inches by 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 1 times 1 for the square, so it's 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 squared inches for the surface area. And to find the volume, you would want to find the inside of it again. So it's going to be like the length, which could be 2 times width times the height. So 2 times 1 times 1, which is 2 cubic inches, or 2 cubes could actually fit in here. Alright, moving on to the rectangular pyramid. So rectangular pyramid, we made it out of a rectangle which is 2 by 1, and then a triangle which is which is 1 inch tall, but it's 1 inch, 1 inch. And then to find the surface area, all you would actually do is to find the area of like each one and multiply it by 2 for the triangles. So here it's 1/2 base times height, so 2 times 1 is 2. Half that is 1, so it's 1 and 2. Okay, and then for here it's 1 times 1, which is, and then multiply it by 1/2, which is 0.5. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 1. So you have 1, 2, 3 so far. Then you just got to find the area of the rectangle, which is 2 times 1, which is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So it's going to be approximately 5 squared inches for the surface area. Then to find the volume, which is going to be the inside of it, you just follow this formula, which is length times width times height over 3. And if you input the length, which is 2, and the width, which is 1, which we're looking at the base, and then the height, which is 1 again, if you input all the information, you'll get about 2/3 cubic inches. And I forgot, both of these are actually going to be examples of a polyhedron. Because the base on both of these is a rectangle, which is a polygon, and they all have flat lateral surfaces.